To know more on HIV or AIDS, call toll-free number 1097. Know your status. Be educated about AIDS. Issued in public interest by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society.
Menteri Badaikmi Yagatanat Puli Putih Hagajala uba Lakmen Rumboy Ulaong Badang Artatin Banla Ban Kentiu Yakatulop Kino Hikai SSA Hagajala Namar ke Jenglut ke Numdula Yaga Aspaklor Habakali Ulaong ba Patyo Jingtip Yaga Jengkular Ban Pedang Yaga Jingdawa Jong Kino Hikai SSA Ban Kentiu Yakatulop Henry Ulaong Banakaliang Jong State Project Director Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan State Education Mission Authority Meghalaya SEMAM kadai ke kamram ke Jong U ban pek la ka long ka bala ne em ban le pat anna poi sa ka sarkar hapru ban bisar la ka pisa ka don ne kamdon la ban kro ba ka Meghalaya SSA School Association ka pentep ba ka Executive Committee jong ka SEMAM Bat jong ke Project Approval Board ne PAB Klamanjor ban penke yo ketulop jong ki khat ar hajar sanspa sopwe ngut kino hikai school SSA ke badan hagajla habakli susu ulong paka sarkar kan bicaru ya ka kaipot ban pha show project director ka SEMAM pat ulakren shairu ba kum makalong yamanta ka sarkar kan numla ban penke yo ketulop jong kino hikai wat la kataru kan apswa ya ka kaipot ban pha do director Ubaram boy ulong balada ka jing penkiut susu ya ketulop jong kino hikai SSA ka jing pelut kan long sa komba ars pa klur tingka. Menteri ulai turu ba ketulop nagam ta kino hikai SSA la seu do ka sarkar preng hakador khatsan haja tingka kat ba ka batampat ya kata anhaban pelut na ka sarkar jela pat ban rabyang pa kum makalong menta dang ardatin ban la ban penki ya ketulop jong kino hikai SSA.
The demand of the teachers is we study it and we will study what is the feasibility of the demand. It is not that the demand is not genuine. The demand is genuine, but I think is that whether the government have the capacity or not, that is a different issue altogether. There is no deadline. There is no deadline to submit the report or anything, the grievances, and after they submit, we will study as the government. I already explained, in fact, the assembly also have already explained that the government is not in position to increase as of now. But let us see what is after the project director Samam send a report to us. Then we'll see what is there. We are not. You see, there is no deadline at all in working of the government. Deadline is that it is a continuous process. Whatever we do. Whatever we can do, we will do, and whatever we cannot do. So, deadline is for them, not for the government. We are alive to the issue of the grievances of the teachers community, not only SSA. We are alive to the issue, and we are trying to work out the feasibility, and we are trying to work out also what is the best solution in this situation. 200 crore, only SSA, right. And there are also ad hoc. There are also lump sum grant, and there are also food teachers. So it is a big investment, and it is a big requirement of fund, not only 100, 200, 300 crore. Ya ka bakal apply katulap ng apply load. Tandai kung bapitip hi baka nakalya ka sentral kakap. Ya ka jingira pisa ya kinohikai SSA haka khasan hajar kadai ka kaping jengki kamot beyond that ka state kan haban ber ta kumbalong menta te ngai ngalong doubtful whatever release we have released to the concerned teachers.
Kon makalong menta ketulop jong kinong hikai school SSA lower primary kalong khat khandai hajar south tingka kat bai kinong hikai school SSA upper primary kalong arpo hajar south pa khandai pulai tingka hakshi benai hakwe kaliang ubala kemen ruboy ulong baka sarkar ka haban bishar piang ya ke jingdon ki school beduna ki kana da ka ba ulong ru bagi don ki school rengai wat tang iweru don ikana ban puli bar ki don ru ki school ki badon tang hapo chpongut ki khna hali ka sarkar ka haban penne yakum kita ki school namar ki don ki bejangai 4 kilometer na ki weipat ki school Ulong susu baka sorkar haus nem arhajar khat khandai kala don jingtmu ban pentamai biang ye ki school. Henry namar ke jingwan no ke klam haus nem beladep ke sorkar kala ban sange no shwai ke ni ke jingtmu bat hab ban bishar piang.
Ngampat yo iya ka file ka ban pol kota ka pa ngelakular na kaliang jonga. Ter na kaliang ka project dator ka smampat ka de ka duty jongki ka bakin pay la kalong feasible na kamlang feasible namar na ka project dator jong ka state education of Meghalaya tu pat unpek yak ke convenient ka bagi ban le da Porsche government pat ina pekin karon ka fund kadang na kamdan. You see that we have already prepared the plan for that, but the thing is that in the midst of that this pandemic come, so everything come to standstill. So the plan is still there and we are working it how to do it. There are first the zero enrollment, the figure I could not remember, and there are also a single digit. But having said that, even if there is a single digit, but if the distance from the nearby school is very far, so we can't help, we have to have that schools. It is a duty bound of the for the government to provide accessibility for the student. And we in Meghalaya, we have seen that at least for the lower primary, the accessibility is, as you said, that there are some schools which are more than what it is required. That's why we have come up with the, in 2019, we have come up with a plan that to restructure the school. First we'll start with the government school. After that then we'll go to other schools. But last year, since March, there's a pandemic, then that also we have, we keep on hold, but we will revisit. This as a school, since the time it was set up in 2001 onwards, so they have been, in fact, the purpose is that to augment the existing school and also to set up where there is no schools, but how they do that time, in what form, and how, as you said, that there are some schools being owned by the private, paid by the government, recruited by the private organization, and then paid by the government. That is the crux of the matter, which it is a big challenge how to streamline this. Whereas in other state, almost all the institution set up under the SSA is a government-owned institution. Rectify in what sense? Suppose now there are 3-4 schools. Some schools have to be closed. Suppose if we close down those schools of run by NGO, we have to withdraw the grant. Once we withdraw the grant, then automatically the teachers will lose their job. So we have to take a both angle, not only on one angle. So we have to think both. We are also human being, they are also human being. How, if there is any way out, how we could help in this situation. But as I see today, it's very, very, very difficult for the government. Time, and now it is quite different. Who knows? The school which do not have the student at that point of time, maybe this time it have more students. So we have to revisit again. School is a government school, and school is a community school. So it is only, we have to see how, why. Because in the first place, when they said the school, they said because it is demanded there, and why the enrollment is not there. So until and unless the community themselves provide us with the data, it is very difficult for us to go deep into what happened. And as you know, the people may say that oh, there is a school, but since there is no school building, so there are so many issues which encompass into that thing. So what is that issue? So we are studying it, and whatever decision we will take. Now there are also some SSA schools who are doing very well. You cannot paint the everybody in the same brush. There are so many SSA schools also, but the intervention is very, very good. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the excess schools. If you are talking about SS school, that is all right. But there are also so many. It is because of SSA that the people, many villages, they got schools. So we cannot paint every SSA school as a burden to government. No, we have to see what is needed and what is not needed.